Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best camping gear is probably one of the most essential investments you can make for your outdoor adventures, transforming a potentially uncomfortable trip into a memorable experience. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a weekend warrior, having the right equipment can mean the difference between a night under the stars and a struggle against the elements. From durable tents that withstand the weather to comfortable sleeping bags that keep you warm, each piece plays a crucial role in ensuring your safety, comfort, and overall enjoyment of nature's playground. Investing in quality gear not only enhances your current trips but also provides reliability for countless adventures to come, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility of the great outdoors. Number 5. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad for Kids and Dogs. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this awesome sprinkler pool. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its durable materials and unique design, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with our shallow wading pool and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have fun without any worries. We're committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, contact our friendly team for a solution. What we like. This is the perfect splash pad for families with young children and pets. Its extra-large size ensures everyone can join the fun, while the non-slip surface provides safety. If you're looking for a way to keep your little ones and furry friends cool and entertained this summer, this is the one. What people say. The tent is very easy to set up, taking only a few minutes. It's spacious enough to comfortably fit 4 people and their gear. The waterproof material held up well during a heavy rainstorm, keeping everything dry inside. Number 4. WOWmazing Giant Bubble Wands Kit. Get ready for bubbles like you've never seen before. Our unique design has set world records, creating truly giant and amazing bubbles that will wow everyone. The bubble solution is proudly made right here in the USA. It's safe, eco-friendly, non-toxic, and biodegradable, ensuring a premium and reliable experience. This complete kit has everything you need for endless fun. It includes the giant bubble maker, bubble concentrate, and a helpful booklet to master your bubble blowing skills. With this set, you can create bubbles that are big, colorful, and incredibly fun. It's perfect for aspiring bubble artists of all ages. It's a wonderful activity for the whole family to enjoy outdoors. Use it in the backyard, at the park, or even for a fun science lesson at school. Looking for a great gift? This is a fantastic birthday activity or present for kids and adults alike, promising hours of outdoor entertainment. What we like. Create truly magical moments with these giant bubble wands. The kit includes everything you need to make enormous, long-lasting bubbles. If you're searching for a unique outdoor activity that will wow kids and adults alike, and you appreciate products made with care, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The bubbles are huge, sturdy, and so satisfying to watch float through the air. The wand is super easy to use, even for little hands, and the bubble solution works perfectly with no mess or stress. The WOWmazing Giant Bubble Kit is such a hit with my kids, and honestly, the adults too. The wand is easy to use, and the included bubble concentrate makes big, colorful bubbles that float beautifully. Number 3. Fun Little Toys Pop-Up Play Tent Camping Set. Get ready for exciting camping adventures with this all-in-one set. It includes everything your little one needs to explore the great outdoors. This set comes with 17 camping essentials, from a pretend stove and lamp to binoculars and a shovel. It's perfect for imaginative play. Setting up camp is a breeze with the collapsible play tent. It's quick to assemble and easy to take anywhere. This pop-up tent provides a cozy spot for your child. It's ideal for a personal play area, a quiet nap, or a reading nook. Light up the fun with a pretend stove that glows and a lamp that illuminates adventures. The included whistle is a 4-in-1 survival tool. Designed for ages 3 and up, this set encourages outdoor play and imagination. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays and holidays. What we like. Ignite your child's imagination with this comprehensive camping play set. It includes a pop-up tent and a variety of interactive camping gear for endless adventures. If your child loves pretend play and dreams of exploring the outdoors, this set offers a fantastic way to foster creativity and role-playing. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well to outdoor use. Easy to assemble and set up, took less than 15 minutes. The size is perfect for my backyard, not too big and not too small. Number 2. PLAYVIBE 40 Saucer Swing. Bring the fun outside with this spacious 40-inch saucer swing. It's designed to move with your family and can be easily installed as a durable tree swing or an exciting addition to your existing play equipment. With a generous 40-inch diameter, this round swing offers plenty of room for everyone to enjoy. Its colorful and weather-resistant fabric ensures comfortable play, making it perfect for your backyard. This swing is built for durability, featuring a strong steel frame and heavy-duty stitching. It reliably supports up to 440 pounds, making it a dependable choice for kids' outdoor adventures. Easily adjust the swing's height to suit your needs. These adjustable ropes are perfect for hanging from various heights, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for children of all ages. Get ready for fun in no time. This kit includes reinforced hanging straps and carabiners for a fast and easy outdoor installation. It's a versatile choice for creating an engaging play space in the fresh air. What we like. This spacious saucer swing offers a comfortable and durable place for outdoor fun. Its large size and high weight capacity make it perfect for shared play. If you're looking for a robust swing that can be easily installed on a tree or swing set, providing hours of active enjoyment for the whole family, this is a great option. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well against various weather conditions. Easy to assemble and set up, took less than 30 minutes. The size is perfect for our backyard, providing ample space for kids to play. Number 1. Swooc Games Giant 4 in a Row, All Weather. Get ready for some serious fun with this life-size version of the classic 4 in a row game. It's over 2 feet tall and 3 feet wide, perfect for everyone to enjoy. Don't let the weather stop the fun. This game is built to withstand splashes, humidity, and heat, making it perfect for the game room, pool, or beach. Tired of noisy games? This version is designed to be over 60% quieter than others. Keep the fun going without the headache. Crafted from high-quality poplar wood sourced from sustainable New Zealand forests. It's guaranteed not to split, crack, twist, or warp. With every purchase, a tree is planted to help protect our planet. You'll even receive a certificate for the tree you helped plant. What we like. Bring classic fun to your backyard with this life-size 4 in a row game. It's built to withstand the elements and designed for quieter play. If you're seeking an engaging outdoor game for family gatherings or parties that's easy to set up and provides a more peaceful experience than other giant games, this is the perfect fit. What people say. It is beautifully crafted, a nice size to use either on a floor or tabletop. It is nice enough to keep out in display all the time. Great product. Very sturdy and easy to assemble. All ages can play this. The size of the game is perfect for outdoor play, and the design is sturdy enough to handle the sand and sun. The game pieces are large and easy to handle, making it fun for both kids and adults. The carrying case made it really convenient to transport and set up, and I appreciated the quieter design. It made the game enjoyable without being too noisy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.